Hi, this is Amitabh and welcome to my channel. In this video clip, I will solve one problem in SQL on HackerRank. If you want to practice more problems in SQL and if you want to clear your knowledge on query writing, then definitely this video is for you. So let's start with the content. Okay, so here is the problem statement called the pads, and this is the medium category problem of HackerRank. And yeah, this is a really good problem to solve, and I can assure you that I can solve the problem in very easy manner so that everybody can understand. The problem requires that we have to generate the following two result sets. So what are these? At first we have to find out. So before going to the result sets, I want to discuss about the table, what it contains. So see, here is the table called occupations, and there are two columns. One is the name and another one is occupation. So these are the records. So name, in name column there are few names and their respective occupations are there on the occupation column. So we have to find out that what are the names. Okay, in alphabetical order. So starting from A to Z, we have to find out the name and their respective occupation within the bracket. And see, here will be the only the first letter of the occupation. For actor there will be A, for doctor there will be D. Okay, in this way only the first letter will be there in block letter. Fine. So what are the occupation contents? The values like doctor, professor, singer or actor. So on the second set, result set, we have to find out that we have to write a query. Fine. So it contains the line that there in this format. We have to find out the query. There are a total of this occupation count. We have to count the total number of occupations. Suppose there are two doctors, so we have to write here 2. So there are total of 2 doctors. Suppose there are 3 actors, so we have to write out that there are total of 3 actors. Okay, so what we have to write? So we have to find out the total count value of the occupation, and after that we have to write the occupation. And not only this, okay, we have to write also s and dot. So see the output format. So yeah, this is the for the first query. Okay, the names are in the alphabetical order, and within the bracket their profession will be there. And on the second side of the result, the line will be there. Look, there are a total of 2 doctors. So what is the profession, occupation? That is the doctor, but we have to write here doctors. S and dot we have to add. So without any further delay, let's start with the content. Okay, so at first we have to select the name. Okay, so I am writing the code. Select name. There is a field called name. Okay, select name, and we have to concatenate it. So this is the concatenating operator. What this concatenating operator do? It combines the multiple characters. Okay, so here is the link. You can find that you can know more about concatenation operator. The concatenation operator manipulates character string and seal of data. Okay, so in this way it works. So I am writing the code. So selecting the name, and within bracket we have to write the first letter of profession. So name. So I am writing the first bracket start. Okay, then again I concatenate it. Then I have to select the substring of the occupation, because we have to extract the only the first letter. So I am using substr. Okay, if you don't know what is substr, then you can go my previous video. There I have already discussed it. Occupation comma 1 comma 1, because it selects the only the first letter. Okay, again concatenate it with the bracket end. Okay, so I've already selected. Now from where? From the occupations table. Occupations table. And we have to order by the name in ascending order. See, from starting from A to Z it comes, so in ascending order. So order by name ascending. Okay, so now I'm writing the second query. So what is second query? We have to select, we have to print in this format. So at first we have to concatenate this string. Okay, so select, and I have to write the string. So I'm copying it from here, because if you have any error in uppercase lowercase, then it will print as wrong. Okay, so better copying from there. Sorry, select their total up. Okay, then we have to count, and so count the total number of occupations. So I am counting of star, because we have to group by the profession. So after group buying it, we have to count the all things. So from there we can find out how many numbers of doctors are there, how many number of singers are there. Okay, so count star, concatenating, and see there is a space between that, so we have to add a space, otherwise it will put an error. Okay, again concatenating it. So now what we have to do, see here is doctor, singer, actor, all are these in the lowercase. So we have to transform from this uppercase first letter to the lowercase. So what we have to do, we have to put a function called lower. It will make all the strings into lowercase. Okay, so lower of occupation. Fine. Again I am concatenating it with s and dot, because we have to put at last that s and dot. Okay, so it's almost over. From occupations, and we have to group by it. Okay, group by occupation, and we have to print it in a order. So order by count star and what, count star and occupation. Okay guys, so let's run the code. Sorry, there is some error. Count star, there is just PS, I think. No. Okay, see what is the error. So there are a total of, and there will be a space. Fine, so there will be a space. Now let's run the code. I think it will work. Again it takes error. Okay, another error. See here, the S is capital, so we have to find the S in small. So you have to correct this error. Okay, I am coding in front of you, so it gets error, I think. So now it already runs. Now let's submit the code. Okay, it has submitted. So thank you guys, let's see on the next video. So I have put my best effort to create this clip for you, and I would really appreciate it if you would support my hard work by liking and sharing my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.